Welcome. If you're tired of getting recommendation notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're not alone. These pop-ups can be distracting, but with the latest update, you can easily turn them off right from your PC. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to stop those unwanted recommendation notifications for good. First, open X in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the left-hand side of your screen for the More icon. It usually looks like 3 dots or a circle with 3 dots inside. Click on it to reveal a menu with additional options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main Settings dashboard, where you can control everything about your account. Next, find and click on Notifications. This section manages all the alerts you receive from X. Within Notifications, you'll see an option labeled Preferences. Click on Preferences to open up more detailed controls over your notifications. Here, you'll want to choose Push Notifications. This is where X manages the alerts that pop up on your device, including those pesky recommendations. Now, you'll see a list of different types of push notifications. Look for the option called Recommendations. There will be a checkbox next to it. Simply uncheck this box to stop receiving recommendation notifications. That's it. You've successfully disabled recommendation notifications on X using your PC. You won't see those distracting suggestions popping up anymore. So you can focus on the content and conversations that matter most to you. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow these steps again and recheck the box. For now, enjoy a cleaner, more focused X experience without interruptions from recommendations. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might be looking to take control of their notifications on X.